Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We are reading Arabic vowels like fateh, kasra, and daman, known as harakat in Arabic, and double Arabic vowels like double kasra, double dama, and double fatha. We take Quran words and try to read how it will be pronounced. So inshallah, today we will make more practice to improve our Quran reading. Let's start reading. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Top line, beginning word. The first letter, known as meme, has fatha sign on the top. When we read this fatha with meme, so our voice goes high like this, spell out as meme fatha ma. The bit letter, known as sin. Sin has same as it is like meme letter, fatha symbol on the top. Spell out like this, sin fatha sa, high sound. We will pronounce now first two letters together. Ma sa, ma sa. The last letter, known as dal. Dal has double kasra, double Arabic vowel kasra. When we read kasra symbol, so our voice goes low down. Spell out as dal, double kasra, din. Now inshallah, we will be pronounce all the letters together. Ma'sadin, ma'sadin. Next word. The first letter, which have three dots top, that is known as sa. That is first half shape of sa letter. Sa has fatha symbol on the top. Its mean we need to pronounce sa sound high, like sa, fatha, sa. Next, the mid letter is the mid shape of Arabic letter meme. Meme has fatha sign on the top. Spell out like this, meme fatha ma. First two letters together, sama, sama. The end letter shape is look like noon. Noon has double Arabic vowels double kasra, spell out like this: noon, double kasra, nin. So this word is samanin. We'll try to read slowly. Samanin, samanin. Next, the first letter is the first half shape of Arabic letter sin. Sin has fatha, Arabic vowels, harakat. Spell out sin, fatha, sa, high sound. The mid letter shape is first head shape of letter kha. Kha has fatha on the top. Kha, fatha, kha. The first two letters accent is sa kha, sa kha. Last letter look like to, to. To has double kasra bottom, so spell out as follows: to, double kasra, twin, sa twin, sa twin. Now we will try to read without spelling. First full line. First word is masadin. Again practice. Masadin. Next. Thamanin. Thamanin. Last word. Sakhatin. Sakhatin. I think so. You have understand. Line number 2. In this word, the first shape is the first half shape of letter noon. Noon has fatha sign on the top. Noon, fatha, na. Mid letter down is fa. Fa has high sound because of fatha sign. Spell out fa, fatha, fa. First two letters accent nafa, nafa. Ro, double dama, run. All letters together. Nafarun, nafarun. Next, the first letter is first half shape of letter swat. Swat, fatha, saw. Mid shape is the mid shape of letter meme. Meme has high sound. Meme, fatha, ma. Swama, swama. Last letter is dal, dal, double dama, dun. So this word is swamadun, swamadun. Last word of that line. Line number 2. First letter which have one dot top, that is first half shape of letter gain. Gain. Fatha. High sound ga. Ga. Mid letter is first shape of dot. Dot. Fatha. Da. Gada. Gada. Last letter, one dot bottom, has double dama. Ba. Double dama. Bun. Gada bun. Gada bun. We will read now the second line without spelling. Nafarun. Next. Swamadun. Next. Gadabun. I think so, you got it. Line number 3. Now, in line number 3, all the words have 4 letters in it. The first letter is full shape of letter dal. Spell out as dal, fatha, da. Second letter, known as ra. Ra, fatha, ra. Dara. Letter number 3. This is first shape of Jim. Jim, Fatha, Ja. First 3 letters together. Daraja. Daraja. Last letter is known as Ta. That is round Ta. Ta. Ta letter has double fatha on top. Spell out Ta, double fatha, tan. All letters together. Darajatan. Darajatan. Next. The first letter in that block is letter of. Of. Of has kasra sign. So it's mean we need to read down sound of that letter. Like Qaf, kasra, qi. Next letter ra, ra, fatha, ra, qira, qira. Next, this letter known as dal. Dal, fatha, da, qirada, qirada. Last letter, same as it is, Arabic letter da. This letter known as round da, which have 2 dots on the top. Spell out like this: da, double fatha, then all letters together. Iradatan, iradatan. Last word of that line. First letter which is empty, doesn't have any dot on the top or bottom, known as first shape of Ain. Ain has fatha on the top. Read like this: Ain, fatha, a, high sound. Next letter is first half shape of Arabic letter Lam. Lam, fatha, la, ala. Next, this third letter is Qaf. Qaf. Spell out like of, fatha, or first three letters of that word like alaqa, alaqa. Last letter round ta. That ta has double kasra bottom. Spell out ta, double kasra, tin. So this Arabic word is alaqatin, alaqatin. We will try to read now. Last line without spellings. Darajatan. Next. Qiradatan. Last. Alaqatin. We will make more practice, inshallah, in our next classes.